Hey guys, I know some of you weren't able to take the test today for the computer part, so I have it here. Take some time, make sure you think about each question as I ask it. Thank you. Our first question is, what is this black box? What kind of computer is it? What kind of computer is this black box? It can stand up on edge or it can sit flat, okay? What kind of computer is this? Number one. Number two, what is this? What is the name of it? And part B to that question is it an output device or an input device? Output or input device? Number three, what's the name of this? And part B to the question is it an input or an output device? Input or output device? What's the name and what is its function? I'm sorry, what's the name and is it an input or output device? Number four is this long thing. What is the name of this? Lots of buttons. And is it an input device or an output device? Number 5, 6, 7, and 8 are cables. Each one has a special name and a purpose. All you're doing is naming them. Number 5 looks like this. It's usually blue and it has this clear ending to it. On the keyboard, on the computer, the cable goes right in here. Next over is number 6. What is this device? Cable. And it usually plugs right in here into the back of the computer. So you're just telling me the names of each of these devices, okay? These plugs, cables. What's the name of this cable? It usually plugs in to this spot here. And the last cable we're talking about today is number 8. What is this kind of cable? And what's the name of it? Is what I'm asking. What is the name of this cable? And on your computer, you have lots of these openings for that cable to plug into. Okay, number 9. Is right here on the bottom. We have 3 different holes. You're going to describe what these holes are for and write them on your quiz. Number 10, we're going inside the computer. Number 10 is this black box right in the center. So what is underneath this black box? What's the name of it? It's special because it has some fins that help keep it cool. As you see. It does a special work for the computer. Number 10, number 11. This is something that I need to know the name of. Can you write the name of this one? It has something round inside that spins round and round. And this is often called, this is what actually remembers things after the power is turned off. Number 10 is the brains. What's the name of it? It's the brains of the computer, but what's the special name. Number 11, what's the name of this? And it's a permanent way to save information after the power is turned off. Number 12 is special. What's the name of this one? Number 12, from inside this, many cables go out to all parts of the computer, even up to here. Okay, so this is very special. If I didn't have this, the computer would not run. Okay, number 13 is down here. It's attached to the green board. The green board goes all around underneath all the other parts, and the other parts are connected to it. What's the name of this green board? Number 14 is right up here. It's round, it spins, and it helps number 10. So let's see if you can think of the name and write that down. Number 15 is this box right here on top. And it's a special device that uses these round things. What's the name of it? Okay. Okay, let's see if you know number 16. Number 16 is special. Write down the name of these cards. These cards are special because they store information while the electricity is on. But after they're off, they dump everything off. So these are only used while the electricity is on. That's an extra credit question. Here's another extra credit question, 17. What are these called? They're empty slots, but what are they called? And maybe you can describe how you can use them to improve the computer. Here's one more extra credit. What is this? And what would it be used for? Okay. Number 18. So there's your quiz. Do your best. Write down what you remember and do your best for what you don't remember.